Can cakes be sold under an LLC? Yes, you can sell cakes under an LLC. Forming an LLC separates your personal assets from your business, which protects your home, car, and savings if your business faces debts or lawsuits. This is especially important in food businesses where liability risks are higher. With an LLC, you can open a business bank account, sign contracts, and get the necessary licenses or permits to operate legally. Depending on your state or county, you may need a food handler's permit, health department approval, or a home bakery license if you plan to bake from home. Running your cake business through an LLC also makes it easier to track expenses, claim tax deductions, and present yourself as a professional business to clients, bakeries, or event planners. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you stay compliant with the permits you need to start selling cakes legally. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.